Hey traders, Mark here. Today is Thursday, February 15th. Well, it's the first video I've been able to get out this week. I continue to keep up with the testing, but sometimes it's just hard to get a video done. Anyway, guys, I thought instead of going through trades, I would just show some results on the Thinkorswim, and then I want to talk about NinjaTrader for a little bit, and then let's talk about some Forex, and then I've got a little surprise for you. So let's get started with Thinkorswim. Okay, so it's been a really good trading week, and what's really interesting here, guys, is last week the volatility crept into the market and this is by far the most amount of trades the system's ever had in a week, and frankly would have been really hard to keep up with if I were trying to take every trade. This week, kind of back to normal, right? And a phenomenal week it's been so far. After 2 days, about a 69% return. And so guys, on NinjaTrader, so let's take a look at NinjaTrader, guys. As you know, I have all the code done, and I'm going to get some videos put together, walking through just setting up the charts and everything. I just have not had a chance to get to that. But guys, look at the day today. And you know what? Something that's really just phenomenal is if you don't like to take a lot of trades, these higher time frame zones off the 5 and the 15 minute. So this chart over here is your 5, and this chart over here is your 15. Just wait for the weaker high or weaker low pattern. For those of you who are PPT members, you all know what that is. For everybody else, I will teach that at some point. But today, there were 5 of them, and there were 3 winners. Actually, sorry, no, 6 of them and 3 winners, which is a great day. That's an easy day if you're just day trading, right? So you can see why, sorry, I didn't mean to click that button. You can see why the numbers are so phenomenal, right? And guys, what this system for me really is it's just a way to remove emotions from trading. You already know what you're looking for. You just have to execute your strategy. So the one thing I want to talk about is on Thinkorswim, the tick charts are different than they are on NinjaTrader. And so you do get different trades, which is why I'm keeping 2 separate spreadsheets for the different platforms. Now, Thinkorswim performs better, hands down. But I have issues with Thinkorswim. I can't automate the platform, and I can't protect code. So I can't send anything out on Thinkorswim. I can only send stuff out on NinjaTrader, and I am in the process of trying to automate a few things on this platform, which will be exciting once it's done. Okay, so let's take a look at Forex real quick. There have been a ton of Forex trades lately, and you know, not that successful overall. You can see I've got a handful of losses in here. So we just look at this group right here. It's slightly in the hole, but there are 2 open trades right now. One is the euro pound for a short. If you take a look at that, it's working its way down, and the target on the euro pound trade is 88.24. The other one is the Swiss yen. If we go see Swiss yen, it is also a short, and this one's not looking so good, right? I had the short right back here. It has a big stop, so it actually did not get stopped out here, but then a buy zone is creeping in here, so it looks like it's probably going to end up being a losing trade, and that's okay. So guys, now I want to show you something that I finally have this ready. So if you go to www.tradebythenumbers.com, guys, this is a little website I've been working on. I've never built a website before. This is my first attempt at it. It's not completely done, guys, so please don't don't laugh. If you go to the blog actually, I was just testing the blog just to see if I could build it the way I wanted it, right? And guys, this is just filler, right? Like these are just filler. So this is just from WordPress, and I don't have anything in here. So this is, I was just testing, building out the different blog cards, if you will. And same with contact. I don't think that there's even anything there. Anyway, but what I want you to pay attention to here, guys, is just come to the home page and put your name and your email in here, okay? And that will get you on my list. From there, I'll be able to shoot out some free trials for the indicator. And then what my plan is to try and put together some webinars in the evening where we can get together and just walk through some trades and talk about some of the rules. All right, guys, get signed up. It's free. It's not going to cost you anything. It just allows me to manage my list. All right, gang, I will catch you all later. Have a good night.